If you see the service StabiliTrak warning on your GM vehicle's dashboard, don't ignore it. This system is designed to help maintain control by monitoring wheel speed, steering angle, and vehicle movement to prevent skidding or loss of traction. When the light turns on, it usually means the stability control system has detected a fault. While sometimes it's a minor glitch, other times it could involve sensors or the ABS system, which directly affects your safety. Important steps. 1. Turn the vehicle off completely and wait about 15 seconds before restarting it. 2. Drive above 15 miles per hour and make gentle left and right turns to allow the system to recalibrate. 3. If the light remains on, disconnect the negative battery terminal for 10 to 15 minutes, then reconnect it. 4. Use an OBD2 scanner to clear stored error codes and reset the stability system. 5. Check brake fluid levels and look for other warning lights like ABS or brake alerts. 6. If the warning persists or the vehicle feels unstable, seek professional diagnosis immediately.